Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this twist out on my natural hair. I blow dried my hair, deep conditioned it, and washed it in this video, so you get to see how I did that. So go ahead and stay tuned, keep watching so you can see how I achieved this look.
Okay, so here we go in the shower. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Cream of Nature moisture shampoo, and I'm going to make sure that my hair is soaking wet. So just going to soak that hair down. Now I'm going to take a little bit, squeeze it out, and I'm going to focus this part on the front of my head, and I make sure I scrub as best I can with my finger pads because I have really bad dandruff. And I just mentally divide my hair into 3 sections. So now I'm going towards the middle part and just scrubbing that in just like that. Then I'm going to take more shampoo and put it in the back of my head and just scrub. And then I just go ahead and rinse it out and repeat. And voila, there you have it. So for my deep condition, I use this Queen Helene cholesterol cream conditioner, and I mix it with my oil mixture. In here I just have some already pre-made. You're also going to need some water. I use about this much. You can use as much as you want, but you want it to be, thick enough or loose enough to your liking. So I just add some oil, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water. And then first you want to start mixing slow so it doesn't go everywhere. And then you just want to turn up and mix it up real good. And this is the consistency that I like. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like fresh after it's been shampooed. Now I'm just going to section my hair off. Then I have water, the deep conditioner, and a brush. So I put the deep conditioner in, and then I kind of finger detangle it while I'm doing that. And then I go in with the brush when that's done. And then a little bit more deep conditioner just to put around the perimeters of my head. And I do this in every section. And I have the water here because sometimes your hair will get a little dry, and you can just put more water in there to help the conditioner go on much easier, and it'll save you product too. But yeah, that's what I do throughout my whole head for my deep condition. So after 2 hours, you want to rinse that out. Okay, so I just am going to go ahead and get to blow drying my hair. Here I'm using the Shea Total Protect, and I'm putting that throughout my whole head. Then I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off, brush through it first, detangle it, and then go in with the blow dryer. I have my blow dryer set on high on both settings. And the method that I choose to use is the chase method. I am not good at it, but I guess I get the job done. And I just do that throughout my whole head, section my hair and blow dry.
Okay, so I'm taking my leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to put about this much through the section. I did this for every section. I made larger sections and then I divided them into subsection for twist. But now I'm just brushing that leave-in conditioner through. Then I'm going to split it in half. Now I'm going to take this Carol Daughter's Lock Butter Shaping Pomade Hair Dress, and I just take a very little bit, just like that. Put it through the section. Take some oil. This is my little homemade oil blend that I make. Put that through the section. Brush it through and twist. And then when I get to the bottom, I just take my comb through the ends of my hair, continue to twist, and I wrap it around my finger like that. And I did that for every twist in my head. And that is it. And then we are going to see what this twist out is looking like tomorrow. Midday right now, so maybe around 4 o'clock. And I'm going to take my twist out tomorrow in the morning. I'll show you how many twists I have. And I'll see you in, well, I'll resume this video tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so it's the next morning and I'm just going to take a little bit of my oil, put it on my hand, just like that, rub it through my twist, and proceed to take them down. I'm really nervous. I haven't done this in a long time, so we shall see. So far, not bad. Okay, so now I'm going to start to separate it. I'm not like counting the number of times I separate each piece. I'm just going to separate it until I feel like it's good enough, I guess. Or until it's full enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna take my pick and start to just pick out the root. And when I pick, I'm not pulling it all the way through. I'm pulling it a good, maybe 3/4 of the way. Halfway to 3/4 of the way through. That is it. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I'm feeling. I guess I wanted to just fluff up a little more, and throughout the day it'll do that. But I don't know, I have to get used to it, just being honest. You guys, I went ahead and just flipped it over to the side. So this that was here, I flipped it over. Then I just slicked my edges a little bit. I think that's making me feel a little bit better about it. But yeah, I think I like this better than the middle part. Yeah, that's it.